today we are going to purchase this phone for this guy. Is it available? Okay. So this is the 15 Pro Max and this is 15 Pro. Now let's talk about the action button. So this is very new for iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So how to use this action button? First you need to go inside the settings here, and inside the settings you can see the action button option. So if you tap on that, just now inside the action button you can see here lots of things: silent button, camera, flashlight, whatever you want to select, you just need to select it. So I'm setting here the camera option and let's see how it works. So if you press and hold, this won't work. You have to double press and hold, and now you see the camera is open here, and even you can click the photo by the clicking action button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. I will come with so many videos with iPhone 15 Pro Max. Thank you.